On top home panel layers, activate the command off. Click left mouse button. Next step, on the draw field, select object, maybe that and that, yes, no, current slow we can't disable. Next step, click K enter on the keyboard, or click right mouse button, call the drop down menu and activate the option enter. To enable the layer, from the drop down menu, drop down list of layers, put the light on, or from the layer properties in dialog window. One moment please, analogy, put some light out, please, but we can light all the layers, enable all layers, activate that command, turn all layers on.